Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Tap on other languages, and here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick Turkish. Your device will ask you if you want to apply the new language as a default one, so just tap on apply language, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly reorder them and thanks to it quickly change the system language. So tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And now I've got English set. If you'd like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on remove. Tap on remove again. And you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.